100,000 thanks. Scene 1, take 1. Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little different. No fancy editing, no background music, just me talking to you from the heart. As you can probably tell from the title, I just hit 100,000 subscribers. You know, I've been staring at this piece of silver for the last few days, just trying to find the right words to express what this means. It's not just about the number though. I have to admit, seeing those digits still feels surreal. It's about what this represents: community, perseverance, and most importantly, the power of believing in something bigger than yourself. Almost a year ago now, when I first uploaded my video, it took me 2 hours just to hit the publish button. I must have watched that video probably 20 times, scrutinizing every second, convinced it wasn't good enough. Well, you know what? That nervous creator who couldn't hit publish taught me something invaluable. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Every creator you admire started somewhere, and that somewhere was probably pretty rough. The difference between those who make it and those who don't is the willingness to be imperfect in public. I remember my first 100 subscribers like it was yesterday. Each notification felt like a small miracle. Someone out there had chosen to follow this journey. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I literally ran around the house. But it wasn't always just celebration and milestones, of course. There were months when the numbers barely moved, times when life threw curveballs that made maintaining a consistent schedule feel impossible. There were countless nights when I questioned if I was just chasing an impossible dream. But here's what I learned about dreams. They're not supposed to be easy. If they were, they wouldn't be worth pursuing. Every obstacle I faced forced me to grow, to adapt, to become more resilient. Those setbacks weren't roadblocks. They were redirections to better paths. To those of you who've been here since the beginning, you know who you are. Thank you for believing in this channel when it was nothing but potential and passion. To those who've joined somewhere along the way, your support and engagement and encouragement turned this channel from a monologue into a dialogue. And to those of you who are new here, welcome to a community that proves dreams don't have expiration dates. You know, there's this quote I love from a philosopher, because this is, after all, a philosopher channel and a philosophy channel. The philosopher's name is William James, and he said, "Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does." Every time you've liked a video, left a comment, shared content with friends, or simply given your time to watch, I want you to know that you've made a positive difference in my life. You've contributed to something that's become bigger than just a YouTube channel. This platform has taught me that success isn't a solo journey. It's built on countless small acts of kindness and support from others. Every encouraging word during tough times, every piece of constructive criticism that has helped me improve, they've all been fuel for this journey. This isn't just a piece of silver with my channel name on it. It's a testament to what happens when you choose to believe in yourself, in others, and in the power of community. It's proof that those quiet moments of doubt, when you're working towards something and wondering if it matters. But that's just part of the story, not the end of it. Looking ahead, I'm more excited than ever. I'm working on the next big series for this channel that will debut right around our 1-year anniversary in about a month. It will be a full-on production that requires a lot more time and effort to produce each episode, so I appreciate your patience as I work on it. And I can't wait to share it with you soon. This milestone isn't a finish line, it's just a marker. There are so many stories left to tell, so many conversations to have, so many possibilities to explore. But whatever comes next, I want you to know that this community has changed my life in ways I've never expected. So here's to you, all 100,000 of you. Here's to the dreamers, the creators, the supporters, and even the critics who pushed me to be better. Here's to the power of showing up day after day, even when it's hard. Here's to believing that what you do matters, because it does. Thank you for being part of this journey. Thank you for making this possible. And thank you for reminding me every single day that the best stories are the ones we write together. I'll see you in the next video.